Hello and welcome to Freestyle Friday. Today's tip is called breathe backwards. In freestyle, one common mistake is to take your head out too far to breathe. This makes your legs sink. Your hands might cross and you will pull downwards just to keep afloat. To fix it, try this. Instead of looking forward or up to the ceiling, try looking backwards. This will give you more space to breathe because there is a wave that your head creates and your mouth will be there at the low point of this wave. Since your head is right on the surface, it will be easier to continue with your stroke. Your body will also stay in a more horizontal line, causing less frontal drag and helping you swim faster. Today is the first day of an exciting new experiment on this channel. We will publish one video every day until the end of this month. These are the shows for each day of the week. If this experiment goes well and brings more value to you, we will try to do one video every day as soon as we can. I pre-recorded this video, but right now we're in Thailand for our swimming camp. So if you like this idea of a new skills and talents video every day, please leave us a comment and a like. See you tomorrow. Swim fast!